Eric, we're Radiator Grille store here doing an install on a CT5-V Blackwing, and we're going to be protecting this vulnerable area right here. You can see that we got some vulnerable components right behind here that are direct in line with a rock hit. So we have some grills that we're going to be able to be placing in here. Here is the grill piece, and as you can see, we've got a longer side to the left here. The longer side is going to go towards the outside of the vehicle, so this one's going to be the passenger side, and the longer side on the right side will go to the driver's side. We've already installed the included cable ties. These are going to be our handles, so we're going to be placing these in the four corners here just to be able to manipulate this grill in this small cavity, and we will ultimately use these for alignment, put in our final cable ties, and then cut these off. And we're going to be sending in the grill upside down. So this is the longer end, so this is going to be to the left, which means that's the passenger side, and we're going to be flipping it upside down and sending it in through the top opening here. And we're going to be creating that little bit of a taco here to get that, reduce that width as much as possible, and we'll send it into the cavity. Once it's into the cavity, you'll be utilizing these cable ties we can pull it this way into the center cavity and bring the other side up front. And you can see how handy these cable ties handles are to get this into position. Next, we'll be aligning the grill. We want to make sure we get this edge, this bottom edge. We'll keep that as close to this bottom edge as we can, and that gives us as much height as we can get towards the top here. And then we will be securing our cable ties. We're going to secure one underneath this horizontal bar. We'll secure one underneath this horizontal bar. We'll do one in this bottom outer corner and one in this upper corner here. A trick to getting the cable ties in while it's in place here is we create a bend, and then we can create a double bend. And what this will do is when we stick it in, we'll be able to hook it in and around and grab this tail end with the needle nose pliers, pull through. We'll be securing it like this, and then we'll be rotating these receiving ends towards the back to hide them. One thing to note while aligning this, reach in here and make sure that this edge is aligned to be behind this part here so it does not stick out into this cavity here. Loosely secure each cable tie before final tightening. Here we go with the finished product. You will notice that there is a slight gap up here, but nothing visible or nothing line of sight for any rock to get in. That is due to being able to insert this with the widest point that we can to make sure that we get the fullest coverage without taking off the bumper. And there you go, finished product.